What is up, everyone? It's your boy Hove, and in this video I'll be taking a look at gold to see if we can figure out where the generational bottom might be so we can stuff our bags like Scrooge McDuck. If this is your first time here, our entire channel is dedicated to helping traders become profitable. So make sure you subscribe so we can help you become profitable too. So back on July 19th, I posted this potential flat where there was a lot of confluence at the 1677 to 1660 range. We had the 1-to-1 of wave 3, the 1-to-1 of wave A, the negative 618 algo, and the 382 fib level. What I didn't realize was my chart was on log when it should have been in arithmetic. As you can see, it's a huge difference, so that's my bad. So now let's take a look at it in arithmetic with the updated price action to see where the confluence might be and what the potential Elliott wave count could be. So let's clear up the chart a little bit. I'm just going to remove all these. Clear that out. No, I'll leave that one since we're going to use it for arithmetic. All right, I'm going to get on a lower time frame. Now we're looking at the 3-day. First thing I want to do is look for geometry support with a channel. Now, typically for a flat, you channel from the high of the previous wave, in this case, the 3, through the B wave high, and then project it from A. But you can also channel from the origin through the wave 2 of C and then project from A. This is typically how you channel for expanded flats, but it can also work for flats as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Origin through wave 2 and project from A. And I'm going to change that color for us just so we don't get confused. I'll also clean this up. So things are looking a little different now that our levels and geometry are in arithmetic. We were looking at this as a fifth coming down, but the updated price action is a bit more choppy than we'd like. And it also looks a little 3-waved at this lower section. Like this looks like 3 waves. This looks like 3 waves. So I'm kind of thinking that we might be getting a ending diag here for the 5th. So let's start marking this up. Let me move this over for now. I'm also going to hide this. All right. So it's red. Let's put it in yellow. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll start adding some other confluences. So right now, what we would project is from wave 1 through our 4. It gives us the 1-to-1 here, 1618 here. We'll also do the same as wave 2 through 3, project from 4. And we'll do the same thing here. Let's make sure this is valid, just barely valid on that. Less than 1, 4 looks less than 2. The invalidation point for this would be 1536. Let's go ahead and throw some fibs on here. See if we can find some additional confluences. Let me zoom in a little. Get down on a lower time frame, just the 1 day. So we're already starting to see confluence building in that 1574 to 1562 range. Let's see if we can add a little bit more to that. Another fib from our 2 here through our 4. All right, that makes it that 1576 level. Last thing I'll add is our trigger line, which is just a channel boundary in this case. It just makes it a little more clear on the chart. Oftentimes when price action moves outside of our channel, it will come back, test the top side of it on a final push lower, and then it will move away from that level. So let's go ahead and grab that trigger line. And it is basically like a channel. We'll channel from the 2 to the 4 all the way through and usually project there. So 2 through 4. And I will change that to red so it's clear for us. So we're seeing all the confluence build right here. Let's see if we can add another one. This algo up here, you can see that it's definitely reactive. Let me pull this all the way over. Minimal reaction, no reaction. So let's see one up. Because remember, algos do not care about Elliott Wave. They just take a high through low pull, and then you get the reactions. And you can see here that you get a reaction here at this algo target, reaction here at this algo target, reaction here at this algo target, and a reaction here. So that next one is actually 1598.6 right here at our lower diag line, and also this trigger outside channel line right there. So we're seeing Confluence build from 1598.6 through 1562.3. where our invalidation level would be right beyond this wave 1. We'll go ahead and add that in, put a red dot it, and I'll also type out our invalidation level. It's getting a little busy, so I'll clean up some fibs, but you can see our Confluence there. All right, let's take a look at divergences. We're seeing some nice divergence here. We're creating new lows on less strength on the oscillator, less strength on the RSI as well. And if this comes down to make that new low while creating divergence there, that's golden. You can see it here as well. Now zooming out on a 3-day, again, we're seeing clear divergence in strength, RSI, even volume here. We see it slowly tapering off. So we have our confluent zone in the green box between roughly 1600 and 1562 with an invalidation on a break of 1536. Our target, if this is the right count, would be roughly 2300, which would be around 14-to-1 odds for the swing. If you want to see my outlook for the S&P or oil, I'll link the videos in the description. If you found this video valuable, give it a like and subscribe because more in-depth videos like this are coming soon. I'll see you next time.